Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT really works? Are you curious about the technology behind ChatGPT's chatbot? How is it possible for ChatGPT to provide us with relevant and accurate responses every time? Well, in this video, we will reveal all the secrets of how ChatGPT works and why does it matter. Here's what you need to know. Let's dive into the ChatGPT 5 world together. For those who don't know what ChatGPT is, ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with a chatbot. The language model may help you with things like writing emails, essays, and code, and provide answers to your inquiries. Therefore, in today's video, why not give it a shot and see if it can benefit you? You must be wondering how ChatGPT differs from other search engines like Google. ChatGPT is an online application that enables you to hold human-like discussions. GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, produces replies. Finally, the transformer is the primary neural network design that converts the input into a meaningful output. It is pre-trained by humans. Unlike Google, which provides search results as a list of web pages and articles that typically provide information linked to their search queries. For instance, you can't ask Google to create a novel or write code. Still, you can ask that ChatGPT, which will produce an appropriate response based on the context and intent of the user's inquiry. How was the allegedly magical instrument developed by this company? How does the ChatGPT function? What's going on behind the screen will soon be revealed. For example, we give it an input, such as in 2 sentences explaining quantum mechanics in straightforward terms. The actual output from ChatGPT was the following: quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that deals with the behavior of tiny particles like atoms and electrons. Fundamentally, it forecasts which words, phrases, and sentences will most likely be connected to the input given. Then it selects the phrases and clauses that it thinks will most likely be connected to the input. As a result, it tries to comprehend your request and outputs words according to the data it was trained on, which it believes will best answer your query. Additionally, some outputs are randomized, so you frequently get different results for the same input. Fundamentally, ChatGPT learns how your input compares to words printed on billions of websites, books, and other data sources that it has been trained on. It then tries to determine what words would be most likely expected. However, it differs from your phone's predictive text, which simply makes a word prediction based on the letter it encounters. ChatGPT tries to construct fully meaningful utterances as a reaction to any input. Additionally, it goes beyond the sentence level. It is creating potential sentences and even paragraphs based on your input. If you ask quantum mechanics is, how would you finish the sentence? The processing that takes place in the background works like this. It determines what word follows another and how frequently based on all the instances of this text. It searches for matches in context and meaning rather than just reading the text. The resulting result is an ordered list of possible words to follow and their probabilities. Therefore, its calculations might result in the following for the word that would come after the word is: a 4.5%, based 3.8%, fundamentally 3.5%, described 3.2%, many 0.7%. It bases the next word on this ranking. However, the sentence completion model needs to be revised because you might ask it to perform an action for which that tactic is inapplicable. How can ChatGPT process such a massive amount of data in no time? The model is trained to learn the underlying context and patterns in the input data, based on its earlier human-taught pre-training. By doing so, the model can process enormous amounts of data from numerous sources, and learn patterns from text and sentences relating to virtually any subject. About 45 terabytes of data were used to train ChatGPT based on GPT 3.5. Did you find this an interesting video and want to see more about AI? Then choose one of the following videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.